Hello, this is a so let's talk about chatbots or customized GPTs as they call them. I'm using ChatGPT 4.0 and you can create these chatbots using the paid version, but if you are using the free version of 3.5, I think you can still leverage the chatbots. So I have a boatload of chatbots here. I'm going to show you a few and then show you how to create one. So let's take a look at this one. This one I had created. This is my first chatbot because I have wanted to be able to create one for a very long time, or an automated way to be able to get my food and my exercise every day. So let's start with what I am going to eat today. Or it gives you a set of options. So what am I going to eat today? What workout am I going to do? Can you suggest a healthy breakfast? And how do I stay motivated? And so it had been programmed to use a voice of motivating whoever uses it. So I'm going to just click on these and see what it gives. So it's saying, it's asking me these questions before it gives me any suggestions. So it asks me, what do I need to avoid and what do I want to include? Now, I am going to go with what I have in my pantry, in my fridge. So I have eggs, egg whites, I have watermelon, raspberries, strawberries, and then I'm gonna say I have spinach, no, lettuce, tomatoes, chicken, chicken breasts. What else do I have for dinner? Sweet potatoes. You don't have to do all of this, but this is for demonstration. I have salmon, and so what I'm doing here is specific. It's going to give me a specific list. I wish I could add more because there's not enough calories, but I'm going to say maximum calories today are 1500. I'm not going to do the carbs, fats, and proteins, but you can. Let me do the demo. Carbs 100, fats 50, this is how I guess, protein 100. I'm gonna reduce my carbs to 80. And let's see what it comes up with for my menu for today. So I have an omelette, my side of berries, I have my lunch, and it's telling me what my max calories for that are, my carbs, fats and proteins for today, and then my lunch is grilled chicken and lettuce, and I can have watermelon as a snack, and my dinner is my baked salmon and my sweet potatoes, and an evening snack I can have some egg whites. So it's coming up with my total calories are 1100. And so if I know what else I have, I can add about 280 to be able to increase to get to my 1500, right? So that's an example. And now I say, give me my exercise for today, and it may come back and say, what I've told the chatbot actually is to give, or in general, if nothing has been entered, to give cardio, whether it's with walking, and then a workout with dumbbells or lunges without weights. So that should give me an hour of a workout. Now, what I've also been able to do is say, give me a meal plan for the week based on the 1500, let's do 2000 calories, macros of I'll do just 100 carbs, 50 fats, and 120 proteins. Let's see. Give me a meal plan for the week, and also give me a grocery list, and so that I can just take that and go shopping. So it's going to give me for each day. So it's suggesting oatmeal, turkey breast, peanut butter, asparagus. And remember I was going by 2,000 calories a day. So you will tell it. So it's saying the daily total is 1,400. And again, you supplement with your yogurt or whatever to make it whatever you want it to be. There's walnuts. I hate walnuts. But also you can say do not include. And so I don't like broccoli, so I would have said do not. But you see, I think that this has been trained enough now that for me, it will not add broccoli because as many times as I've demonstrated, there it is, broccoli. But I should say exclude broccoli. So, and then sometimes we've heard many times that our chatbots get lazy. So I had to say continue. Now it's giving me a grocery list for the week. So I can just take that and go to the grocery with it. And if you're like me, do Instacart, you would just import that to there's an Instacart GPT too. So this was a personal example that I wanted to use. I'm going to go, another one I did here was a teaching assistant. And with this one, I have put in to just help people. I created this to be able to help anyone who wants to know. So it's saying here, what are the latest? I clicked one of the buttons. What are the latest advances in AI? And it's just listed them for me. So it's your own little assistant to help you, especially as we're here. You can, of course, I'll add these links. You can just click this and it can help you with what you need. Let's see. It searched 5 sites for the latest advances. Let's see. What are custom GPTs? So it's telling you what these are. And again, that's with this teaching assistant here. So it'll come. You can compare Bing to ChatGPT. You can compare Claude. You can explain how DALL-E works, which is the visual, the image creator. So without further ado now, let's go and create our own GPT. So you've seen a couple of examples. What I want to create now is one that I clicked explore GPTs, and these are GPTs that you have that are trended that other people have created. And the more people, I think actually there was some skepticism about how these are generated, and so or how they're displayed. But it should be that the more people who use them, the the more, the higher they'll be up on the rankings. So now we're going to go create here. And this is so straightforward. I know every one of us on this call can create one. So we're going to call it my AI skill set. My AI skill set assistant. And it's an assistant to help me leverage, and you can always change this, AI for my career. So what does this GPT do and how does it behave? This GPT will give me the certifications I need, as well as key skills I need to be able to be effective and productive. And I'm starting from scratch. What would have been quicker would be I would have prepared these and just pasted these in, but I'm going so you can see exactly what's going on. And productive in my career, in the users career. And so the user will give their job title, and for the purposes of this, I'm just gonna give it the one and done because of time. But then it will be refined as we go along. So the user will give their job title and a list of key responsibilities to help adequately list the skills and sets needed. Also tell the user what they can do to leverage AI in their career based on their responsibilities listed. Now I can refine and refine and refine, but I want us to, okay, so let's see, what is your job title. These are conversation starters. So these are the 4 that you'll see in the front that you could just click. What is your job title? That's one. I hit tab and it'll go to the next one. Or what is your current job title? I'll just go with that. And note that with these chatbots, they're public, so be very, very careful what files you decide to upload. So here I can go, it's showing me the preview. I can, save. So now I can view the GPT and say, so it's going to ask me what's my current job title. Yeah, that is a flaw. Let me see. Scrum Master. So that is a flaw in what I did. I should say enter your current job title that you want the information for. So it's saying key certifications are these, key skills are these, and how I leverage AI in my role is this. Let's see. And this is, I had done it manually in you'll find it in the Teams channel. I had done it manually. I said, pretend I am a Scrum Master and give me the certifications that I need and how I can leverage AI. So let me put now project manager. But you see, what I need to add is project manager and then 5 key responsibilities. That would help me. It'll help me inform the chatbot of how I want, to be specific to me. And so these are the tasks that I can use. But of course, in many organizations, there are firewalls. And so there's only so much you can do within your job firewall using your work computers. So, there's a lot that you'd have to do outside to be able to help with the information that you have. Let's see. The other one was software engineer. So this is talking about the key certifications that I need and programming languages. And how you can leverage AI in it. And what I am going to do is completely go back. This is for demo purposes, but I'm going to go back and then refine this chatbot so that you can get a lot more out of it. But this is to demo, just to give you a better idea of how these can be used. Thank you.